Have you ever pondered the possibility of making money online without possessing any specific skills? Picture this: you're at home, comfortably settled on your couch, your fingers dancing on the keyboard, your mind buzzing with ideas, and you're earning money. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. First up, consider participating in online surveys and market research. A plethora of websites and companies out there are willing to pay you for your time and thoughts. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna are a few that spring to mind. While you won't become a millionaire overnight, these platforms can provide a steady stream of pocket money or gift cards. Next, we venture into the realm of microtasking and gig platforms. Websites like Amazon, Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and TaskRabbit are treasure troves of small tasks waiting to be completed. Whether it's data entry, transcription, or virtual assistance, these tasks may not pay much individually, but the earnings can accumulate over time. Now, if you have a knack for explaining complex topics in easy-to-understand terms, online tutoring and teaching might be your calling. Platforms like VIPKid, Cambly, and Chegg Tutors provide opportunities to teach English, tutor in various subjects, or share your expertise in specific skills. Some platforms may require formal qualifications, but many are open to individuals with no formal teaching experience. Moving on, let's delve into the world of content creation on social media. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube open up a world of opportunities for creators. You can share funny videos, lifestyle tips, or educational content. As your following grows, so do your chances of monetizing your content through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Next up, selling products online. Websites like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon are perfect platforms for selling handmade crafts, vintage items, or other products. Your old possessions, or items sourced from thrift stores and garage sales, could be someone else's treasure. Online freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a range of opportunities for those with general computer skills. Tasks like data entry, basic writing, or virtual assistance could be your ticket to earning money online. Finally, consider dipping your toes into the world of affiliate marketing and referral programs. Companies often offer affiliate programs where you earn a commission by promoting their products or services. Similarly, referral programs for apps, websites, and services can yield rewards or cash bonuses for referring new users. In conclusion, while these methods may not make you rich overnight, they offer a viable way to start earning money online without any specific skills or substantial upfront investment. But remember, it's always wise to do your homework before diving in, to avoid getting caught in any scams or fraudulent schemes. Happy earning!